cross red line. Whether anybody is seeing you or not is immaterial. That invisible police must come after you. So this is what we did this month, and as I say, somebody is taking 100,000 this month, and next month we are doing okay. Shinua Achebe is not this September. We'll be doing Shinua maybe in October. What we'll be doing this next month is people that brought Christianity to Igbo land. I have tried to make research about the people that brought Christianity in Igbo land. Go through almost all communities in Igbo land. Those people that brought Christianity, gave them their houses, gave them their land. Go to our communities. They are the heads of such communities. Okeke Omekokwuri Digo of Aguleri that brought Christianity to Aguleri. As a result, he was ostracized by his people. They sent him out of the community. But today, they are the royal family of Aguleri. You go to Okija, our own Okija, Obi Jackson, even the current Igwe that is there, they have root. Their parents are among the people that brought Christianity in Igbo land. Go to Adazi, our GUO. The forefather was the one that brought Christianity in Adazi. And the story continues like this. So this is what we'll be doing this month that you are entering. Go back and ask questions. The people that brought Christianity to your community. How far have they gone? You can also, don't tell us about this one, but you can also look around and show those people that if they sleep and wake up, the next day shrine will be cooling off with a very young man. Go back to such societies and see what you see. So Chinua Achebe's work, Things Fall Apart, is indeed, in my opinion, our own Igbo Bible.
This movement of going back to our root.
Okay, before we go back to Igbo root proper, let me respond to that. Ego. Ada ekpete ego na ekpere, ada agwọta ego n'ọgwụ. Ndị Igbo believe na na-enwebe spiritual gallops. Christianity also believes in that. Na ọ bụrụ na lineage isi na-enwego some things emechara na-adịghị mma, na ihe a nwere ike chere gị aka mgba ma ị na-apụ. Ndị Igbo ji agwọ ọgwụ akali ogiri. Akali ogiri abụ mmụọ ndị na-efegharịcha n'ikuku a na-esetụ ọfụma ma ọ bụ akụnitechara in one way or the other. Onye Igbo believe na nwa ya chọọ ịpụ na a ga-agwọwuri ya wele ka ụzọ ya gaa aga. Ka ọ na-enwe n'ihe n'ọsọ nwa ya na-atapụ akpa ya na-ewere ihe ọ chọrọ. Christianity also believes that by strength shall no man prevail. Enwere God that governs the whole universe. So while spirituality, whether more Christianity, more traditional religion, na-adịghị enye ego, but it's a necessary part of it. There is spirituality to wealth. O nwere mbọ ya be gbacha, mekrasicha ihe nature. In fact, natural disaster can even come and scatter the whole thing. And also some of the reasons ndị ba ji commit suicide in the olden days. Just got things fall apart. No kọrọ mmiri ezori na-ebukrosia ji ya despair. Wow. Ihe ha na-ekwu ekpere just storytelling, twisting story to deceive the gullible minds. Ekpere dị mkpa, mana ekpere does not promote idol